I'm Sheila. Welcome to Pedego Oyama.
Pedego Oyama stands for fun. This is who we are, this is what we do, and we're part of a community. And that support within the community has been just incredible.
Murray and I really love people, and we love sharing our experiences with people and listening to their experiences. So I think that's the kind of environment at Pedego Oyama that we want to create, is where people feel comfortable, where they feel we can welcome them into our home, because this is our home here, and we're so happy that they've come to visit us. Come visit us here at Pedego Oyama. We'd love to meet you.
Hello,
Hello, fun.